This is the practice test for decimal numbers, and we're working here on problem number 1. The problem says determine the place value of the digit 4 in the number, and we see that the number 4 is the first decimal place to the right of the decimal point right here. Now you have to know the place values on the decimal side of the number. Back in the first part of the course, we covered the place values on the whole number side, the ones, tens, and hundreds, and now we're looking at the place values on the decimal side of the number. And the first place value, or the place value of the first digit to the right of the decimal point, is the tenths. And you could think of money, you could think of dimes here. A dime is 1/10 of a dollar. So if that 4, we could think of it as representing 4 dimes. And then the next place value to the right is the hundredths. We could think of pennies here, that the second place value to the right is pennies, and this would be 1 penny, 1/100th of a dollar. And then the third place value to the right is the thousandths. So the answer to this question is that the 4 is in the tenths place, letter A, but you do need to know your 3 place values to the right of the decimal point. The first one is the tenths, and then we have the hundredths, and then we have the thousandths.